Key features and details about Fanspex Portable Space Heater: compact and powerful portable heater, safe, durable and perfect for any space. There include: staying warm during the colder months doesn't have to mean sacrificing safety, efficiency, or convenience. This compact yet powerful portable space heater offers a simple and effective solution for maintaining comfort in a variety of environments, from bedrooms and bathrooms to offices, garages, and workshops. Built with a sturdy all-metal frame and equipped with high-quality heating wires and fan components, this heater is designed to last, ensuring durability and consistent performance. One of its standout features is the adjustable thermostat. With an easy-to-use thermostat knob, you can set your preferred temperature, and the heater will automatically cycle on and off to maintain that warmth. This not only saves energy but also ensures consistent comfort without the hassle of constant adjustments. Safety has been carefully considered in its design. The heater comes with both tip-over and overheat protection, providing peace of mind for daily use. It also carries ETL certification, ensuring compliance with recognized safety standards. Even in small or busy spaces, users can rely on the heater to operate securely. Despite its strong performance, the heater remains highly compact and portable. Measuring just 12.1 x 7.7 x 4.3 inches, and lightweight in design, it's easy to carry from room to room, offering targeted heating wherever you need it. Whether you're working in your office, relaxing in your living room, or trying to keep your pet house or greenhouse warm, this heater adapts seamlessly. Flexibility is further enhanced by its dual heat settings of 1500 watt and 750 watt, allowing you to choose between full power or energy-saving warmth depending on your needs. This makes it a cost-effective option for a wide range of applications, from chilly winter nights to post-shower comfort. Overall, this portable heater combines durability, safety, and convenience in a compact form. It's not just a practical choice for winter, it's a reliable companion that brings warmth and peace of mind to any space. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.